Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Drive quota exceeded on Android. But before we continue, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Drive app on your phone. You can see how much total storage has been used in your Google Drive account. Tap the menu in the upper left corner. Okay, here the storage usage on my Google account has reached 14.3%. Then to see what files are using the Drive's storage, tap Files. Here will show all the files stored in your Google Drive. These files are what make Google Drive quota exceeded, so you can delete some files that you don't use anymore to reduce storage usage. To see details of the capacity of each file, tap the three dots icon below the file. Then scroll down. Tap Details and Activity. This is the storage used of this file. You can reduce storage usage by deleting some files or folders. I no longer need these files and folders, so I will delete them. Tap and hold on the folder or file that you want to delete. If you are sure, tap the delete icon or the trash icon. Then all the folders that have been selected will be deleted. Now, tap again on the menu in the upper right corner. Here the storage usage is still the same as before, so in order to reduce, tap Trash. Then tap one of the folders or files that are here. To mark all of them, tap this icon. Then tap the three dots on top right corner. Tap Delete Forever. Then all trash in your Google Drive account will be emptied. Refresh your Google Drive. Then force close the app. Now reopen the Google Drive app. Then tap the three dots on top right corner. As you can see, now Google Drive storage is no longer exceeded. That's all guys. I hope this video is useful for you, and I hope this tutorial is successful to fix Google Drive quota exceeded on your Android. See you in the next video and bye.